In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning the head flip, or otherwise known as the head spring. This is a quick and easy tutorial to explain with just a few steps that you need to practice. There are many other tricks in the same family as this one. Once you've learned this, you can learn those. By the way guys, I'm AJ47 from Soul Mavericks Crew. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. The head flip or head spring works by driving your momentum forward and using your arms to push and your legs to swing. When you land, you want to land on top of your weight, so that means bring your chest over your hips. When performing this move, we want to stay as active and strong as possible in our arms, thus allowing our head to barely touch the floor. Really important, barely to touch the floor. But if you are worried about your head conking the floor, grab yourself some mats like these. As you can see, these make a comfortable training experience. They are linked in my description of this YouTube video down below. Amazon have hooked me up with a landing page. All you have to do is click the link and you can see everything that I use for my training, but more in particular the mats that I'm recommending. Regarding the head spring or head flip, if you go too early, you land on your bum. If you go too late, you land on your bum a little bit harder. If you push too hard and swing too hard, you're going to over-rotate, thus making you go forward and losing balance. Just remember these points when you're applying it to your training. But all in all, this move, because you're so low to the ground, the chances of you really hurting yourself are not that great. So it's definitely one of the moves that I would recommend practicing. Obviously, if you don't have the access to the mats, you can always wear a little beanie just to protect your head a little bit. But again, really, the most part that's going to conk the floor is your bum. I've got 3 simple steps for you guys. Step 1, legs wide apart. Step 2, arms in front. Step 2, you're also going to place those hands on the floor. Now step 3, I'm going to turn the face this way so you get a better angle of view. Step 3, what we're going to do is we're going to place the head on the floor, but it's going to be in front of the hands, thus making a tripod position, similar to what you would see a camera stand doing. So, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to lift your legs off the floor, like so. And then from here, my bum is going to go over my head, and then I'm going to flick forward, like so. Notice how I brought my weight, my chest, over my hips. When you do it in real time, you use a bit of momentum. It's very much like a forward roll. Now I've taken care of the people that just want to learn the head flip and the head spring. Now to take care of my B-boys and B-girls who want to learn how to use this within their breaking. First of all, I want you to try it from top rock, going straight down into the head flip, and once you land the head flip successfully, then transition into your footwork in any way that you deem comfortable. Secondly, I want you to transition this from footwork. In this video, you can see that I'm using an outside inwards pretzel with a little spin, thus standing me up almost, and then head flipping from there. This way, you can sort of incorporate the head flip from your footwork, thus applying it to your breaking, because a move is useless unless we can apply it to our actual dance. Check out the links in the description, that way you can get yourself these mats if you want to protect yourself. There's other training tools there that I use in some of my other videos. Subscribe if you are new, like the video if you like it, and as always, stay fresh, stay clean, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.